Along with the rest of the country, the state of Meghalaya had also celebrated the 74th Republic Day 2023 at an official function held at the Polo Grounds, Shillong on the 26th of January 2023. As chief guest on the occasion, the governor of the state, retired Brigadier Dr. D Mishra, unfurled the Indian tricolour in the presence of Meghalaya Chief Secretary P Wahlang, state government officials, invitees and others. After taking the salute of marching contingents, the governor also inspected the Guard of Honour. Various awards that include the President's Medal, the President's Police Medal, the Chief Minister's Medal to Police Personnel, and the Meghalaya Day Awards were presented to selected citizens of the state. A presentation of tableaus by state government departments like the Horticulture, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, the Social Welfare, Fisheries, and Soil and Water Conservation Departments and the Meghalayan Age was displayed to exhibit the richness of the state through its flora and fauna and the immense natural wealth of Meghalaya. Cultural performances by the Khasi, Jaintia and Garo tribes of Meghalaya were also witnessed as part of the Republic Day celebration this year.
Skill development is presented by the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society. The growing unemployment in the state and the increasing number of youths desirous of entering the workforce each year is a big concern, not only to the state but the nation as a whole. The tableau represents the skill development program under Skill Meghalaya, which attempts to make skilling inspirational and
glorious history of our people, their culture and their achievements. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is based on 5 themes, and these 5 themes are freedom, ideas, resolve, action and achievement. The event is dedicated to the citizens of India who have not only been involved in bringing India this far in its revolutionary journey, but also hold with them the power and potential to enable the vision of achieving a Atma-Nirbhar Bharat for unconditional talks within the framework of the Constitution of India. The talks have since started. In this regard, we are thankful to the Government of India for their support. My dear citizens, by way of good news on this occasion, it is heartening that for the first time this year, India has assumed the G20 presidency. G20 is the leading forum of 20 countries for deliberation and coordination of core economic and policy issues. It is a proud moment for every Indian that our country is now recognized as a global leader. India's theme for the G20 presidency, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that is one earth, one family, one future. This in itself is a reflection of the rich cultural value system of our society. This year, as part of G20 presidency, India will host over 200 meetings in over 50 cities across 32 different work streams. which will give a good glimpse of the rich India's cultural heritage and diversity to the two G20 delegates and guests.